200 kitchen utensils.
Blender.
Blender.
Bread box.
Bread box.
Baking paper.
Baking paper.
Can opener.
Can opener.
Cast iron skillet.
Cast iron skillet.
Bottle opener.
Bottle opener.
Cereal bowl.
Cereal bowl.
Chef's knife.
Chef's knife.
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Cleaver.
Cleaver.
Colander.
Colander.
Cookie cutter.
Cookie cutter.
Cookie sheet.
Cookie sheet.
Corkscrew.
Corkscrew.
Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Dish rack.
Dish rack.
Dish soap.
Dish soap.
Dish towel.
Dish towel.
Egg beater.
Egg beater.
Espresso machine.
Espresso machine.
Flour sifter.
Flour sifter.
Food processor.
Food processor.
Fork.
Fork.
Freezer.
Freezer.
Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Garlic press.
Garlic press.
Grater.
Grater.
Grill.
Grill.
Ice cream scoop.
Ice cream scoop.
Ice maker.
Ice maker.
Jar opener.
Jar opener.
Juicer.
Juicer.
Kettle.
Kettle.
Knife.
Knife.
Ladle.
Ladle.
Lemon squeezer.
Lemon squeezer.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
Meat thermometer.
Meat thermometer.
Meat tenderizer.
Meat tenderizer.
Mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl.
Mug.
Mug.
Napkin.
Napkin.
Nutcracker.
Nutcracker.
Oven.
Oven.
Oven mitts.
Oven mitts.
Paper towel.
Paper towel.
Paring knife.
Paring knife.
Pastry brush.
Pastry brush.
Peeler.
Peeler.
Pepper grinder.
Pepper grinder.
Pizza cutter.
Pizza cutter.
Plate.
Plate.
Popcorn maker.
Popcorn maker.
Pot holder.
Pot holder.
Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Recipe book.
Recipe book.
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Salad spinner.
Salad spinner.
Salt shaker.
Salt shaker.
Saucepan.
Saucepan.
Pastry brush.
Pastry brush.
Serving spoon.
Serving spoon.
Skewer.
Skewer.
Slotted spoon.
Slotted spoon.
Spatula.
Spatula.
Stand mixer.
Stand mixer.
Steak knife.
Steak knife.
Stove.
Stove.
Strainer.
Strainer.
Sugar bowl.
Sugar bowl.
Tablecloth.
Tablecloth.
Teapot.
Teapot.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Timer.
Timer.
Toaster.
Toaster.
Tongs.
Tongs.
Tray.
Tray.
Trivet.
Trivet.
Vegetable peeler.
Vegetable peeler.
Waffle maker.
Waffle maker.
Water pitcher.
Water pitcher.
Whisk.
Whisk.
Wine glass.
Wine glass.
Wooden spoon.
Wooden spoon.
Zester.
Zester.
Ziploc bag.
Ziploc bag.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil.
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Barbecue grill.
Barbecue grill.
Basil leaves.
Basil leaves.
Bay leaf.
Bay leaf.
Broiler pan.
Broiler pan.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Butter.
Butter.
Cake pan.
Cake pan.
Cake stand.
Cake stand.
Carving knife.
Carving knife.
Cheesecloth.
Cheesecloth.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cling wrap.
Cling wrap.
Coffee cup.
Coffee cup.
Cookie jar.
Cookie jar.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Creamer.
Creamer.
Cumin.
Cumin.
Cupcake liner.
Cupcake liner.
Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Dish brush.
Dish brush.
Dishcloth.
Dishcloth.
Dough scraper.
Dough scraper.
Drying rack.
Drying rack.
Extract.
Extract.
Flour.
Flour.
Funnel.
Funnel.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Honey.
Honey.
hot pad,
hot pad,
ice cube tray,
ice cube tray,
instant pot,
instant pot,
jelly jar,
jelly jar,
kitchen island,
kitchen island,
measuring jug,
measuring jug,
mixing spoon,
mixing spoon,
oven rack,
oven rack,
pastry blender,
pastry blender,
pepper mill,
pepper mill,
piping bag,
piping bag,
pizza pan,
pizza pan,
placemats,
placemats,
potato masher,
potato masher,
poultry shears,
poultry shears,
roasting pan,
roasting pan,
salad bowl,
salad bowl,
sandwich bag,
sandwich bag,
sifter,
sifter,
spice rack,
spice rack,
steamer,
steamer,
stock pot,
stock pot,
storage container,
storage container,
tea infuser,
tea infuser,
Tea towel.
tea towel,
tofu press,
tofu press,
Tupperware,
Tupperware,
water filter,
water filter,
wine rack,
wine rack,
wire whisk,
wire whisk,
yogurt maker,
yogurt maker,
bamboo steamer,
bamboo steamer,
butcher block,
butcher block,
cake cutter,
cake cutter,
citrus reamer,
citrus reamer,
dish soap dispenser,
dish soap dispenser,
egg separator,
egg separator,
food storage bag,
food storage bag,
garlic keeper,
garlic keeper,
ice pick,
ice pick,
ladle rest,
ladle rest,
muffin tin,
muffin tin,
apron,
apron,
refrigerator,
refrigerator,
freezer,
freezer,
pestle and mortar,
pestle and mortar,
wok,
wok,
rubbish bin,
rubbish bin,
casserole dish,
casserole dish,
sandwich maker,
sandwich maker,